The production of clay brick is unique and has been around for many centuries. Today's modern production facilities have greatly improved the way we produce clay brick. However, there are still challenges to dimensional tolerances and other factors in the organic process of clay brick production. The North American clay production plants that are able to produce clay brick to the required standards for BRIKclad are a few of the best. In the odd instance, some of the raw material will drag into the dovetail core when formed and cut into individual brick. These drag pieces generally break free when inserting the clip. However, there are some stubborn ones that may need a scraper to pop them free. When inserting the clay QS stainless steel anchors, this is your time to keep an eye on the brick. Due to the way clay brick is packaged, some breakage can happen in transportation and is part of the ASTM standards for breakage. In the odd case when there are broken bricks, set them aside as they can be used for half cuts and smaller pieces for fitting around window and door openings. The QS anchor is designed to be slightly oversprung to ensure that it has a snug fit to the dovetail in the brick. Simply pinch the lower opening slightly and start to insert the clip into the dovetail and push it down until the top flanges rest on the top edge of the brick. You will get a rhythm for this and find that it is a very fast process to insert the QS anchors. Pro tip: when fastening the brick and anchor to the wall, it is important to not over-torque the screw. The QS anchor should seat up against the drainage sheathing but not be sinked into it. Over-torquing can result in the bottom front edge to pitch forward, affecting the overall vertical plane of the brick. Like with most siding projects, the BRIKclad product is hung on the wall, and once seated against the drainage sheathing, the cumulative effect of the 4.5 anchors and screws per square foot makes sure that the BRIKclad is securely attached to the wall.